getting ready.
No, that was pretty heavy duty. It was the worst traffic I've been in many.
There's Eric.
Many moves.
His new reel. There's Mikey. There's Dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Oh, hi, Dad. How you
Dad.
doing? Hey, we're going fishing. There's the boat.
There's the boat.
There's the Highliner.
All right, we're ready. Getting bait. Seeing what we got. Brian said there's a bait shortage. Eric on a whopper. Oh, look at it pull. Look at the fight. Yeah. Let's see it. There it is. Look at you. Oh. Slaying it. Fighting the mackerel. Fighting the mackerel. Maybe it'll bounce off.
Oh, barracuda.
Oh, nice.
Oh, no. Long ass mackerel. Dude, that's the biggest mackerel I've ever seen.
Look at that. Just a tiny tuna.
That's it. Yeah, that's a tuna.
There's one. I'm gonna go right past you. Sorry, Dad. Whoa. Yeah.
Yellow.
Burrito time. Burrito time.
Palo Blanco in Mexico. It's a whitefish.
Good job.
Here, I'll get him. Yeah, the bottom fishing. This is where it's at, man, dude. They brought you to the best bottom.
Killing it. All right, let's see this. 100-pound test to catch whitefish. Nice one. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. Oh, we're fighting it.
Eric, do you want it?
Yeah, he's got a bag.
Oh, a nice one. Another big one.
Oh. Oh, we're fighting the whopper. I think mine bounced off. Oh no, I got mine. I see him. Yeah, twins. Oh. How big are you keeping? Is this too small?
I've been throwing those ones back.
Okay.
Tossing it?
Yeah.
That's my fault.
Thank you. What's up?
Patience, brother. Woo! Hold that
There you
thing
go,
up.
Mikey.
Get that mic.
There you go, Mikey.
Look up, baby, brother.
Trying to spin him out, not help him out. Nice job, my
Hell
friend.
yeah, dude. Thank you.
Good job. Whew. Beautiful. Here we go, last spot. Go right. Go right.
Over. Y'all nerd?
Whose line is this?
Someone's single over here. I'm at
I got you. I got you. I got you. Keep going. You're over here. Come under. Come under. Come under. Go that way. Yeah. Yeah. Color. I see you.
Take a few steps to your left one.
Color. White color. Let's go. Get your limit. Got leader. Smile. 2. Yeah. All right.
Thanks, man.
Of course.
Yes.
Yes.
Finally.
Here you go, boss.
Dude.